Do you want to go back to the printers at all? It's about as full as our queue wall's been in a little bit. So these are all jobs that we would have nested manually, a year ago. And now all this is happening for us through APP. And we don't have a person setting these up and playing Tetris on the build plates anymore. Bonadent started in 1948. We're on our 4th generation family ownership. We try to make sure that we have big lab opportunities and technologies, but the feel of a small lab, not just to benefit ourselves, but to benefit our customers as well. I love having a final product that improves patient lives. I love what we do.
We go through around 200 cases. It gets pretty busy back there, for sure. The process that we used to do to nest models was a lot more time-consuming, I'd say.
There was a minor headache before. You would have to ensure that you pull in all the files to that print that you're manually creating.
So that there isn't an upper jaw on this print and then the lower jaw is on a different print.
One thing that we were adamant on was these prints need to be dense.
There was a time when we had a full-time person basically just playing Tetris with models all day long.
It's not too bad, but it is a lot.
Our printers are running 24 hours. We have 3 shifts. They're running around the clock, and we don't have to worry about nesting anymore. APP does that for us.
What I like about APP is that we're able to keep that organization by case number, make sure the case stays where it's supposed to be.
We've been super pleased with the build density.
I would notice some prints having 4 cases, 5 cases, where on average it would be around 3 to 4 if a human nested it.
We have definitely seen labor savings across the board using APP.
It would take me about an hour to nest what could be done in APP in 20 minutes. Not even.
It's about 1/4 of the time, all things considered, which is huge.
When we think of automation, we immediately think labor savings. I don't think we immediately think improved quality because we can focus on that more.
Everyone here has a major growth mindset. People who are constantly pushing boundaries and just trying to make the best possible restoration.
APP has allowed our technicians, all of them, to focus on other tasks that help benefit the customer. Because our end goal is to make sure we have the best product possible, and we're able to train more and teach more now that we don't have to worry about nesting.
I mean, if you can automate simpler tasks and have your technicians focusing on ones that require greater attention to detail, why wouldn't you do that? It's a no-brainer.